won't change how I'm perceived by you. No explanations or consolations will save me from myself. I'll spiral inwards over all of the words you've never said and wouldn't have ever meant, but still I will be picking you. I am your locksmith, it's something I do, but the truth is I am no use, so I cannot bear not being there when you need me to. I always come back, I know you know that, but my heart never changes. You have to understand, if I can't have you, I will be anything close to having you love me. Still I will be picking you. I am your locksmith, it's something I do, but the truth is I am no use, so I cannot bear not being there when you need me to. And if someone else storms your castle, oh, I'm not sure I can handle with my rusty keys asking you to see side of me. I know you can't, I don't blame you for that. I keep on pushing, you barricade the door. You don't want to hurt what you know you've heard before. I'm sorry, oh I'm sorry for all of the deadbolts I placed before I go. I don't know why. I am his locksmith. Oh, I've locked myself